Okay, so this is the third wash cycle for these clothes. No additional detergent has been added. This is off the original detergent. I believe, what did I go to? One line on the detergent, and they have been rinsed multiple times. Again, this is the third wash. I can't remember now. I think I did 2 rinses on the first wash. If I did, then that would make this will be the 4th rinse when it goes through. And again, no additional detergent has been added, and you can see, look at all those suds. You can hear them actually. See the bubbles? See all those bubbles. No additional detergent. This is not rinsing out the detergent. So let me see if I can open it and show you inside or not. Okay, so now we're inside. It's a lot harder to show with the glass because it doesn't show on the clothes, it shows in the water, but you can see the water's still kind of cloudy. It's still cloudy. If you listen, I don't know how well you can hear that. I don't know if the audio is picking that up or not, but you can actually hear the bubbles. And then if you look at the clothes, look at that. Yeah. It's not cleaning them because probably not using enough detergent, but I can't use any extra detergent because it'll never rinse out. I'll be rinsing until I'm 900. See how dank and nasty this is? And again, I have tried multiple detergents. In fact, I probably have 6 detergents right now. But this is what it is after multiple runs. I ran it through a heavy, I ran it through a sanitize. Now it's actually running through a quick wash. You can see this. I mean, it's not cleaning. It's filthy. And if you could smell it, you'd know just how dirty it is. And again, this is after multiple attempts to work on my washing machine, and nothing has fixed it. So, there's something very wrong with my washing machine. Okay. Let's let it go. Continue to try to rinse some more. Maybe one day, maybe, my clothes will actually rinse. Okay, so I don't even know what rinse number this is now. I lost count. I'll figure it out when I put all the videos together. And I will label it appropriately. I think this is, I want to say this is 4th, maybe 3rd or 4th. Either way, same load of laundry. No additional detergent added. This is still the original detergent that was a 1 line on the detergent bottle. The 1 when it was recommended to be 5. So I did a 1/5 of the recommended amount, and it's still, you can see, still sudsy. You see all those suds? This is after multiple rinses and no additional detergent. But yet, and then you can see bubbles. Look at all those suds. mean, I'm killing my water bill, my electricity bill to try to wash clothes. I'm supposed to have a high energy efficient washing machine, and yet it's not very energy efficient to have to wash your clothes 4 times to try to get detergent out of it. I mean, this is pretty crappy if you look at how sudsy that still is after multiple rinses and no additional detergent. Even if I had used too much detergent at this point, it should have rinsed out. And it's not. And this is why my clothes smell so bad. And they're not getting clean. It's because they're just sitting there not getting fully rinsed. Maybe I could probably wash my stuff in the bathtub and get it cleaner than what's going on right now. Well, let's open it up. Look at that. Look at all those suds. Oh, this is gross. It's funny how it just keeps accumulating new stuff each time you go in that wasn't there last time. I don't even know. Oh, it's gross. Either way. Listen. Again, I'm not sure how well the audio is picking up. I will not know until I get this on the computer, but if you listen really well, you can hear the bubbles. I'm using the white stuff because it's the best way to see how dirty everything is. What, multiple rinses? It's not super clean now, is it? It's dingy. You can, if you look really close, you can see the bubbles too. Actually, there you go. That all over. Now, remember, this is also the same washing machine that got 3 clean cycles. Ran on it just a few days ago. 3. So, this sucks. And my wash machine is not working properly. See, there you can see bubbles right there. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in because you can't, I'm blocking the light, but right there, those are bubbles. So, it's not getting clean.